actually created this video using ChatGPT and Grok AI. It's very easy to do. I'm going to show you how I did it. So on my phone, I pick the Grok AI icon I downloaded from Play Store. I click on it and it opens. So I now click on see all. Then you can see my pictures. So I picked a picture here. This is the picture I picked. Okay. Then after the processing, so the picture begins to play on my phone, so I can now go back to my laptop and use it. Then at ChatGPT, I requested ChatGPT to create a prompt for use in Grok AI. Show image of a person pricing laptop in a tech shop. There's a mistake here. I use supposed to be for use in, so I actually made a mistake, but ChatGPT actually corrected it and he gave a prompt. So you go to use your phone and upload your image, then you can now come to ChatGPT and use it. ChatGPT even requested for options to modify the prompt, which I said modify to use 5 to 6 seconds. I'm using free Grok AI. Okay, so it comes in 6 seconds. The only thing you do is you get your videos in bits and then use video editing software. I personally use Camtasia. I combine it and form it into a YouTube video, so you can also do that. So I have to copy this video now. Okay, I ask it to do it 5 to 6 seconds animation prompt, so which it did, and I copied it. This is the script. I had to copy it and then move it to Grok AI. Okay, since I'm using my laptop, I had to open Grok AI using the web. So I click on it, click on create image. I'm able to log in using my Google email address, so I can see the picture which I uploaded using my mobile phone. Okay, I select on it. Now this is where you're supposed to put in the prompt. Okay, so I delete the existing prompt there and replace it with ChatGPT created prompts. Then click on this arrow to recreate video. As soon as it's completed, the new video begins to play. Use Grok AI to create multiple visuals where he's doing different things, and then you can use video editing tool to combine it, and it turns to a 3-minute video which you can use on your YouTube.